Ever dream of hopping on a Harley and heading toward the horizon? That's exactly what Brooklyn native Michael Sia did back in 1949.
So we bought a Harley Davidson and headed west and got to Albuquerque and wrecked it and got a job cooking hamburgers there.
That twist of fate led him to Lubbock, Texas, where he opened the beloved Orlando's Italian restaurant.
I've been coming to Orlando's for a little over 20 years.
About 30 years.
With a history like that, Orlando's could literally be called the hub of Hub City. For more than half a century, generations of Lubbockites have gathered here for a good meal and a good time.
Gerald Ford was the president the first time I had dinner here.
Including a few famous faces, like Frankie Avalon, along with one really famous waitress.
Our most famous waitress was Natalie Maines, the Dixie Chick. She was a good waitress. She has a mouth. She can sing, and of course, got her into trouble later.
What keeps them all coming back is Orlando's menu. Think New York Italian meets New Mexico heat. Texas Monthly calls it Tex Italian.
Use a lot of garlic, a lot of fresh habaneros, a lot of green chilies. Basically have kind of twisted our menu towards what people in West Texas and New Mexico like to eat, which is spicy food.
Michael's son David and Lloyd Turner are now stirring up Orlando's classic recipes, mixed in with a few of their own. Luscious house-made pastas, hand-thrown pizzas, crisp salads, and hearty sandwiches, like this roast beef spiked with peppers. Just some of the dishes locals come craving.
Well, I like the down and dirty tortellini. That's a big one.
Big for lots of folks. This uber-popular appetizer starts with hand-breaded spinach tortellini, stuffed with Parmesan and ricotta. It's flash fried, then kicked up with a little Santa Fe heat.
And we drizzle them with habanero butter hot sauce, garlic butter. Yeah, they kind of chewy and crunchy at the same time. Isn't that kind of chewy and good? And
it's the crisp edges. Say hello to Hatch green chilies in this green chili chicken linguine.
We had a little metal boat. We threw some olive oil and some Parmesan cheese in there, some cube chicken and the green chilies, poured on top of linguine. Boom. And it's the top selling thing we've got.
You'll thank these good fellas for their mesmerizing mafia queso.
We put green chilies and we also put some Alfredo sauce. So that gives it a little twang.
Another dish here not to miss is this cheesy brown rice and broccoli chicken casserole. It's got little slivers of almond, lots of ooey gooey cheese. You'll love it. It's good. How does an Italian hook up with a hippie and end up working in an Italian restaurant?
I was into health foods back in college and started baking whole wheat bread, and I really got into that. That was my passion at the time.
Was that before you were a nude model?
That was after the nude model.
Lloyd actually modeled nude for the most popular art class on the Texas Tech campus.
I was their best one ever.
I think your reputation followed you because when I was at Tech, that was the elective to get, was that art class.
I think I set the standard high. I was the first male.
Did you guys instantly get along?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I thought he was a little crazy, but we got
along.
along.
I was. Yeah, a little crazy.
He had a beard down to here, and I thought, okay, this is going to be fun. And it was.
Fun is what you'll feel and taste here, both in the front of the house with their famous Blue Zuni margarita, or in their diet-dashing chocolate rum cake, drizzled with hot fudge. Fun too, back in the kitchen, where we're making Orlando's delicious green chicken chili pizza. How many pizzas have you made?
Thousands.
And counting, right?
And counting, oh yes ma'am.
Oh, your dough feels nice. We use our fingers to make a nice round crust. Then comes the real fun.
And then we're gonna throw it up in the air.
Oh yeah, well,
Are you ready?
You're gonna throw it in the air,
Here
okay.
And you throw it up. And you'll kind of
This
just
is
give it
really
a couple of
dangerous,
tosses.
girlfriend. All right, like a rag doll here.
Oh yes.
Next, we coat the crust with a garlic Parmesan butter, followed by breadcrumbs, mozzarella, and marinated chicken breast. It's all topped with spicy green chilies and tossed into the oven.
Here's to you.
Here's to you. Ting ting. Ooh, that is good. Oh man.
Really good.
Spicy. Put a little lift in your step, right?
I'll definitely eat.
A lift in your step and a kick to your palate. That's what you'll find at Orlando's. Some more good times. 53 more years.
Amen.
Cheers.
Cheers.